Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. This F-150 has the Sport 302A package on it. So you've got running boards along the side here, remote entry keypad, blind spot on the mirrors that are heated, power window controls, leather and cloth interior with power seats with lumbar, drivers and passengers are heated seats as well. You've also got power adjustable foot pedals. Turning the truck over, you've got a display down here with the digital speedometer, trip and fuel, towing status with a trailer connection checklist, off-road status, and power distribution, and then vehicle settings with pre-collision and rear park aid. Cruise controls on the left here, and then you got hands-free on the right. Sync sound system with navigation, satellite radio, Ford Pass, and much more. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are down towards the center console. You've got a cubby down here with 2 USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, and a household plug on that side. Center console shifter with drive modes on it. Auto-dimming rearview mirror up top, and then you've got some lighting buttons up here as well. Coming around to the back of the F-150, you've got your Sport 4x4 badge there, a paint-matched rear bumper with your rear park aid sensors. Trailer hitch is down there installed. Rear view camera right above the Ford logo here. Taking a look, you've also got a tonneau cover up top, and you've got your box in here. Tailgate step built in as well to the tailgate. Up top there, you've got a rear passenger window. Let some airflow into the back. You get a good look at the tonneau cover as well from back here. Going into the back seat now, you've got cloth seating in the rear that does fold up for more storage. There's a power inverter under there. Behind this passenger seat, you've got your jack stands for changing your tire. You've got cubbies behind the front seats here to hide anything you might need. Cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, another 2 USB ports, and another household plug. You can keep all your devices charged in this vehicle all at once. Lots of leg room back here, very spacious. You've also got a dome light up top. Your rear window's right there. And we'll take a look up towards the front. Paint match front bumper, metallic gray grille. You've got halogen headlights and fog lights. Tow hooks are up front, and plow accessory upfitting is optional on this F-150. Come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this pre-owned F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.